Should I go in or should I not? Wait, what was that? What is this? Huh? This cat could speak? Oh. Okay. Like over here? Let's just roam around and see what else could be here. Is there anything behind you? No. What other kitten? Okay, let's go. What's your name? Oh, William. Will you tell me where the second cat is? Oh, so let's try and find Bella. Oh, there you are. Hello. Oh, show me your face. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you're so soft. Mind if I pick you up? Where should I bring you to? Let's put you right next to William. Oh my gosh. William, you did not like that. William! What did he do? He almost bit me. Well, I'm going.